Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you websites you can use to make 100 trends per day. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Making 100 trends per day will only be possible if you actually do the work. Even though anyone can join these platforms, it's not free money or quick cash. Number one, we are testers. This company uses external testers with different profiles, skills, availabilities, and terminals. When signing up, you're supposed to choose your mother tongue. If you're from South Africa, I suggest you choose English because all their tests are either in English or other European languages that many of us don't speak. Each mission you apply for, they will review and accept you based on the client's criteria. You get paid $1 to $10 per mission, and every time they post missions, they always specify if a mission is only open to a specific region or country. So pay attention to that. Once your account has been validated, your job will be to report bugs as you find them. More bugs, more money, but of course don't lie because they will check. On We Are Testers, there are 3 types of missions. The first one is exploratory, where you will be required to use a digital product and search for bugs. The second one is guided, which consists of following the mission's guidelines, executing each step as described. And lastly, retesting. This type of mission will ask you to redo the parts that led to bugs in previous missions, tested either by you or others. Number 2, MyIU. MyIU is an international market research company based in Germany that pays consumers to participate in different studies. It is currently available in 15 countries and South Africa is one of them. When you sign up, you get 100 points for confirming your email and 500 points after filling your profile. 500 points is equivalent to €0.50, that is about 9 rands today. To be able to cash out, you must reach €20 or 344 rands, which may sound ridiculous for a survey threshold, considering how little individual surveys pay. But it is possible mainly because this is one of the few low-level sites that have a high volume of surveys. Every time you get points after completing a survey, they show you the cash equivalent. It is encouraging when you see the money accumulating, even if you can't withdraw it yet. Number 3, Triaba Consumer Panel. Triaba is another platform for short studies that pays £0.16 to £2.8 per survey. Minimum withdrawal on this platform is £4, which is 78 rands. These are all the countries they are available in, and most invitations will be tailored according to your profile, but once in a while they may send you surveys that are on the surface not suitable for your profile, and you will be pre-screened by answering a few questions before the actual survey. If you become inactive on the platform, your earned points will be erased from your dashboard, but this can be fixed by emailing the company directly. They will reactivate your points. On this platform, they pay 5 rands to 45 rands per survey. When I was testing it, I did notice that even though the pay per survey is okay for the amount of time required, there are not as many surveys as they are on MyIU. They don't have a dashboard to check available surveys. You just have to wait. I kind of like the idea of waiting because it saves you time instead of constantly refreshing the dashboard to see if there are any available surveys. Number 4 and 5, PaulPay and Make Money. I'm combining these two because they are both apps instead of websites. Like many other short study sites, PaulPay has profiling questions that you have to answer to help them determine if you are suitable. If you fail, you still get $0.01 for your time, which isn't a lot, but you're literally getting paid for not qualifying. This app pays in cash. You can expect to earn $0.03 to $4 per survey. Make Money app, on the other hand, pays in credit that can be converted to cash. Each mission has plus or minus 10 questions and take less than 3 minutes to complete. Before you can withdraw 100 rands, which would be approximately €5, you will need 6,000 credits. If you don't have the app yet, you may think this is a huge number that is impossible to reach, but you'll see when you start doing those missions that accumulating points is really not hard, provided they approve your attempted missions. It takes 3 working days to receive your money. All these 5 websites have a PayPal option, which is available in South Africa, but some of them also have other payment methods if you're outside SA. To be honest with you, I wouldn't recommend relying on surveys or money-making apps. I still test and share them because the money does accumulate, I won't lie. Recently, I cashed out $70 because I wanted to buy something online, but it took me time to accumulate that much. The problem is some of you guys are so desperate to make money that you think you'll make a lot of money if you put more hours into doing surveys. You won't. There are jobs that will pay you more the more hours you put in, and there are jobs where you'll see little to no difference no matter how many hours you put in, and surveys are a good example because it's low level work. So please stop trying to run away from jobs that will pay you better just because they require more effort. Your time is better spent doing high paying jobs. If you have any questions regarding these companies, please comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can.